Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get OneNote for free on your PC or laptop. If you need OneNote to take notes, organize your ideas, or sync with your other devices, you don't need to buy anything. This method is completely free. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks. Now, open up a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever one you prefer. In the search bar, type Microsoft 365 and open the official website. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, just create it. It's free. Once you're logged in, you'll see all the Microsoft apps available online: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and OneNote. Click on OneNote, and the free web-based version will open in your browser. From here you can create notebooks, type notes, add pictures, and organize everything into sections, just like the desktop version. When you're done, your notes are saved online automatically, so you can access them anytime from your PC, laptop, or even your phone. And that's it. You now have Microsoft OneNote running for free on your PC or laptop using Microsoft 365 online. If this video helped, don't forget to like it and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.